Welcome to Exotic Spice. Let's cook. Today I will show you how to make yummy chicken pakoras. Here are the ingredients. In a bowl, add chicken, chili powder, pepper, cumin powder, garlic, tandoori powder, chilli, salt, cilantro, half a cup of flour, and half a cup of chickpeas flour. Mix by adding some water. Pour slowly as you mix, as in the end it should look like chicken covered in thick paste. Add more flour and chickpeas flour with water and continue adding and mixing until well mixed. In a deep frying pan, pour oil about 3 inches or more depending on your frying pan size. Once heated, slowly add the chicken and fry for 8 to 10 minutes or until you feel it's cooked. Now you're ready to eat. Enjoy, have fun. I hope you like this recipe. Please let me know if there's any suggestions or anything you'd like me to look into cooking for you. Otherwise, I've been having fun cooking all this delicious food and looking forward to seeing you next time. So until then, take care and have fun.